I'm being told that we are just going to watch a video of construction and then we will come back.
Okay, inshallah.
जी आइए देखते हैं इस वक्त तामीराती काम जो हैं वो कहाँ तक पहुँचे.
So we are now on the third floor of the building, which is the floor where all the guest accommodation and the dormitories are. So we have, just behind me there are 6 ensuite guest rooms, which are on this floor, and there will be another 6 on the floor above. Then you've got the corridor in the middle, and then we will have, where I am standing at the moment, these will be dormitories for groups that come to see Hazur Aqdas and their accommodation. See the self-erecting crane. The crane was used to lift all the materials throughout the course of the project onto the respective floors. So we use the crane to also lift the dome and the minarets up on the roofs. The 4th floor again will be utilized for guest accommodation. We will have dormitories for guest accommodation who come in groups. Will stay in the dormitories, and individual family accommodation can be in the ensuite rooms. We also will have a dining facility here, so for guests who will want to have food here. This was one of the instructions as per Hazur's advice, that of both the floors, this floor and the floor below, should have dining facility. So behind me is the minaret. We have 2 minarets on either side of the building. These minarets have been refurbished. These are the same minarets that we had on the old building. So these have been refurbished for use on the new building as well. The screen pattern that you see here is the same pattern that will be reflected across all the windows and the front, which is called the Mashrabia screen. As part of this development, there was the need and the requirement to implement the solar panels and the PV array on the site. So we've got the roof spaces on either side around the minarets are going to be utilized for the PV array, and these stubs that you see protruding through the floor, these are to house the PV array or the solar panels. Obviously, solar panels allows for electricity to be pumped back into the grid. The stone that has been cut in the quarry is a 40 mm thick stone, which is mechanically fixed using the stainless steel brackets into the main structure. So these brackets are actually holding the stone in place, and they are fixed at various levels using the main brackets that are at floor level. And these brackets actually hold the stone in place, but the main brackets take the load.
Alhamdulillah, this is really blessings of Khilafat that we have today. Now we can start seeing the emergence of this beautiful landmark building that inshallah will stand on this site now for maybe hundreds of years. And inshallah, everyone who comes prays in these buildings, we will remember all those people who made contributions towards this blessed project. रहे खुदा की मोहब्बत